After years of whispers and speculations, the foldable iPhone may finally be slipping into reality. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. A new report citing Samsung Display's president has stirred the rumor once again, and this time the signal is loud and clear. Samsung, which already provides Apple with high-end OLED panels, is reportedly preparing to mass-produce foldable displays for a major North American client. The prime suspect, of course, Apple. This is the strongest indication yet that the long-awaited iPhone Fold could make its grand debut in 2026, possibly launching alongside the iPhone 18 series and the traditional September event. It may still be nearly a year away, but it can deliver something truly groundbreaking. Leaks suggest the iPhone Fold will have a 7.74-inch crease-free foldable display, a 5.49-inch cover screen, and a design that's just 4.8mm thick when unfolded. Yes, even slimmer than the iPad Air. Rumors also hint at dual 48-megapixel rear cameras, under-display Touch ID, and possibly a 24-megapixel under-display selfie camera. With cutting-edge tech and sleek design, the iPhone Fold isn't expected to come cheap. The latest whispers suggest a $1,999 price tag, making it Apple's priciest iPhone yet. Still, Apple's entry into the foldable race could be a game-changer. While Samsung and others have already taken their shot, Apple's arrival might be the moment the category truly takes off. So if you've been holding out for a foldable iPhone, now might be the time to start saving, because the future of iPhone might just unfold in your hands. Are you waiting for the foldable iPhone? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.